Alright guys, what's up? Alright, today I'm going to measure this bell pepper tree. Last year my bell pepper tree was like 7 feet 4 inches. This year I'm going to measure it to see how much feet it is today. So from the ground to right where you see I measure there, that's 5 feet tall, 5 feet. This is 5 feet 60 inches, represent 5 feet. So now I'm gonna measure the balance and see how much it is. Okay. 36 inches. I have break my own record of last year growing a 7 feet bell pepper tree. This year I had break my own record. Yes, 8 feet pepper tree this year. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace, love and blessing. Yes.